Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. One more video. Today is the 18th of June, almost 6 a.m. there. Let's get to this. Please, guys, join our CryptoCitadel group over there. t.me/CryptoCitadel. We'll be doing nothing. Shout out to the Orcas group. Great bunch of guys. Shout out Elliot. Shout out RBL. Shout out Panda Champ. Without further ado, we're going to jump straight into the 1 hour. So again today, not much movement, just 0.29 movement yesterday. We're still waiting for confirmations. So the 0.5 line was at stake. It came down. It bounced on this 9.2. We can say 9.3 resistance there. If you got it up, you can see this is a pretty standard close there. Bit of a fake out here. Best closed below here. You could start your short. This was the target. You can see the stop right there. Bit sluggish at 0.5. First target. Second target. Well done if you shorted that in that way. You get a close above a point of interest. You initiate a long. You have a beautiful, beautiful run over here. And we're now expecting a touch here and maybe a close here. If that happens, we can expect a touch here, maybe a touch there. If we close above here, we can expect a higher touch over there. Overall, not much movement, but expected movement from our side. We're running out of resistances here. We're gonna adjust this to cover that area because BTC has been doing this area a lot here. A lot of buying and selling here and accumulation that has been happening there. So we're gonna have that there, and maybe we can have a line here. Right, let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. We have that. Okay, pretty much 1, 2, 3 touches. We're gonna leave that line, and you can now see we have something interesting boiling up here in this form. We have a falling wedge. Okay, we now have a bit of a falling wedge here. So this is how I usually would draw into these trends, and then I'll send this behind. Draw all this into back. That'll bring my trend forward. All right, I don't need to focus on that for now. I have those two lines there. I can simply focus on 1, 2. So I'll expect trend to come down there and maybe escape from here after a retest. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens there. And for the weekly, okay, weekly will not have much change as well. We still stuck in the same distribution range here. Still have a fight between bears and bulls there. Nothing much here. I wouldn't trade this weekly because you don't have a standing fit, I would say, because what are you shorting exactly? This is just stuck in between. This is a 50-50 situation. It could come down, test here. It could go up, test there. There is no rejection, as you can see here. I would expect the rejection to be somewhere here or somewhere there. So right now the weekly is not giving out much, so we'll just watch that closely, maybe for a rejection above here or maybe for a continuation of a downtrend. But this is pretty much 50-50. If you were to go buy RSI, we would say bullish sign, continue longing, bearish sign, you short. Right now there's nothing happening. You're better off longing this and wait for a confirmation here and maybe short it. Right now it's completely 50-50. Let's go to the daily. On the daily side of things, okay, this is where much of the beauty happens. We can see the bears managed to breach this, and if you watched my video yesterday, I did suggest that as soon as we cross this, you would initiate a short or maybe wait for a couple of closes, and lo and behold, the short would have been a nice play. So what are we expecting from here? Maybe a touch again down here, test the integrity of this bounce here, or a rally back above and see if the bulls can close above here. If the bulls close above here, we can expect a bit more movement, probably to test above there. But if the bears close below here, we can expect a few more movements and for them to touch below here. So we'll have to wait this one out. You can see the RSI just blipping short, long, blipping all over, and there's really not much to trade right now at the moment. Probably we could have a look at XRP. Let's see. Bitfinex is fine. We're gonna look at XRP on the monthly. Okay, so XRP has been on a downtrend for the longest time now, and there is talk of a possible breakout. So we could have a breakout coming soon, right? So, and okay, we will have a situation like this. So we will continue to watch XRP as it makes its way to probably test this range here. XRP has been playing around the 20-cent, 19-cent range for a while now, and it's interesting to see what will come out of XRP in the few next days. There's talks that something big is coming. There's people accumulating a lot of XRP, and hopefully XRP can give us something in the near future. Maybe look at Ethereum. Ethereum as well, stuck in a sideways, so we don't have much on Ethereum as well. We'll have to wait it out as well and see what happens. But right now it's not looking real good for the big three here. They probably await to see what happens here. A rejection, then I'll definitely short over here. If we close above, I'll expect a close above here, maybe to initiate a long, or perhaps a close above there. Okay, guys, so this is it from me today. Not much movement, not much to update. I really hate it when the market don't move. We don't have much to talk about, and it's just few small updates. This is it for me, guys. Thank you again. Please join our Telegram group then. That's CryptoCitadel, and show us some love. Thank you guys again. See you next time.